Why is your iPhone 14 not turning on? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix if your iPhone 14 is not turning on at all. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your iPhone 14 is actually not turning on, one of the primary reasons could be the dead battery. So you simply want to make sure that you have actually recharged your phone and then just use a power cable and a power supply in order to charge your phone and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem and then lets you turn on your iPhone. If that doesn't help, I want you to actually press the volume down button as well as the power button at the same time simultaneously in order to go ahead and then actually force restart your phone, because sometimes when you actually force restart your phone, that is also going to help you solve most of the issues. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you in the next video.